Good morning guys, in front of me is Raptor 5G and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So at first open your phone gallery, then click on the contact that you want to personalize, that you want to add this profile picture to, select edit and click on plus icon on the profile picture, so right here. Now you can choose something from your gallery. You can grab a photo right now by tapping on camera, then you can choose something from your Google Photos. You can create a monogram. You can pick one from illustrations here, then you can change the preset here, but let me pick something from the gallery. You can customize the picture however you like, rotate it also, mark choose and then click on save to apply it. And that's it, that will be all. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.